Clinically, it's quite difficult to cure snoring, but I have learned some magical Taoist techniques from a Taoist Master, which has been proven quite effective reducing snoring. Today, I'm gonna share it with you guys for free. Remember to like the video and follow me in case you need it later. First of all, lift your head up and swallow 20 times. If you have difficulty in doing this, take your time and then massage two places. The first one is yin-xiang points located on both sides of our nose. Massage them 36 times. These 2 points are also commonly used in treating nasal congestion and rhinitis. Then use these 2 fingers to pinch the tragus on both sides. Do it for 36 times. Trust me, if you keep practicing it, you will enjoy better quality sleep.